This is a video series where we break down the most common myths and excuses used by business owners for not purchasing cyber liability insurance. Today's excuse is the financial cost of a cyber incident would not be significant. Well, the average claim for a small business is over $36,000. Do you have $36,000 you want to spend on a cyber claim? Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, I don't need to be cavalier. I'm certainly not trying to be fear-mongering and throwing this at you. I just want to hit you with reality. And what I'm going to do is actually give you a real claim scenario that we had in our office that was covered by cyber insurance that will just help you understand what the risk is. So we had a small furniture store, and one of their clients received an email from my client for an order that they needed to pay for, and that business owner forwarded on to the accounting person in his office who paid the bill. Well, a month later, the client of my furniture store owner sent an email and said, "Hey, what did we actually buy from you? We paid that invoice, but I don't remember purchasing anything from you." And my client's response was nothing. And what they found out was the hacker had used my client's likeness, a similar email address, and a similar signature in the email to socially engineer a money fraud claim to this client, where basically the client of the furniture store had wired $50,000 to some unknown account somewhere, and it's poof, gone. And my client would have had to pay that person back, would have had to pay his client back that 50 grand if he didn't have cyber insurance, which he did, which covered the claim. That's cyber liability insurance. That's a small claim. I've had people call me about $600,000 claims, $700,000. Guys, this is big business for hackers. And while the average claim may be $36,000 or somewhere around there for a small business, is it worth $1,500 a year? I mean, cyber liability insurance is not that expensive. Is it worth a couple $1,000s a year to save you from what is most likely going to be $36,000 or more? I think it does. I think that's plus you're going to get defense coverage. If something happens to a third party, you're going to get all kinds of additional coverages beyond just the standard, like someone hacks into my system. That's really not what cyber hacks are anymore. They're not just coming after their data. They're going after your clients, your contacts. They're trying to lock up your system. There's all kinds of things that happen, and none of it is good. So I don't mean fear-mongering, but these claims are significant. They're very disruptive to your business, very disruptive, and cyber liability insurance is a big part of the answer. Not the full part of the answer, but a big part of the answer. If you'd like to get a quote today, I have a link in the description where you can enter some information and get 9 different quotes right now, matter of minutes. If you'd like us to walk you through that process, we'd be happy to do that. Go to roguerisk.com. That's roguerisk.com. You'll see buttons, click them, and fill out the form. You can also call us, 518-960-6600, or email us, gorogue@roguerisk.com. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.